The homepage pulls people in, but what gets them to reach out happens later. Your About, Contact, and Services pages seal the deal, or lose it. This video shows how to get them right. This is part 3 of the Wix Portfolio Site Starter Guide. If you're building along, great. But if not, you can catch up anytime by checking the other videos in this series. The homepage is done, and your site has structure. Now it's time to make it feel human. This video covers the 3 pages most people treat like an afterthought and how to actually make them work. By the end, your site will not only look polished, but also give people a reason to trust what they're seeing. The About page is where the site starts to feel human. It's not about sharing your full backstory, but showing who's behind the work. Start by adding a new page and name it About. Keep it minimal, like the homepage. Use a dark gray background and copy the headline, subheading, and paragraph layout from your homepage hero. Update the text to reflect your personality, but keep it short. 1 or 2 lines explaining what you do. Add a photo that feels real. A portrait or behind-the-scenes shot works best. Stick to your brand's fonts and colors. Highlight a key phrase in yellow to keep things visually consistent. Left align the text, stack everything cleanly, and check it on mobile. Spacing should feel open. Next, add a gallery section with 3 to 4 new images that weren't already on the homepage. Use the bricks layout and stretch it full width. This is just a visual break. Then, add a short vision section using scrolling text. Copy the animation from your homepage, paste it in, and update it with a line reflecting your creative style. If it feels too empty, add a short experience section. Use a repeater to list your past work or types of clients. Keep it brief, 1 title, a quick description, and maybe a date. No long paragraphs. Finish with your global contact section at the bottom of the page. Drop it in using the layers menu and check it on mobile. The contact page should be fast to scan, easy to use, and distraction-free. Add a new page and name it Contact. Keep only 1 section at the top and delete any blank ones above it. Copy the hero layout from your About page and update the text. Skip buttons and social links. Just a simple heading saying what the page is for. Under that, paste in the scrolling marquee text from your homepage. Change the message to something like, "Let's build something together." Now, for the main section, your contact form. Copy the one from your homepage, paste it in, and move the form to the left column. Add a photo on the right to balance the layout. Use something relevant to your work. Want this form to have different fields? Duplicate the form in Wix Studio's form dashboard, rename it, and add fields like phone or inquiry type. Select the new version in form settings. Clean up spacing, set all margins to 0, and check it on mobile. The layout should stack neatly, with the image moving to the bottom row. Finally, drop in your social section at the bottom. Copy it from the homepage or About page. Use clear icons, dock them to the right, and keep the layout tight. If people are still scrolling, they're probably wondering what you offer. The Services page answers that clearly and visually. Create a new page and name it Services. Start with the Hero section using 2 images side by side, one large and one smaller, overlapping slightly. Use photos that haven't been shown yet, and make sure each one represents a different service. Under that, add a short intro section. Copy the layout from your About page, remove the buttons and social bar, and update the text. One headline, one short paragraph explaining what's on offer. Then, build your service grid. Copy the repeater layout from your homepage, paste it in, and replace the titles with service names and images with relevant work. Update the subtext with a single-line description for each. Everything should feel light and scannable. If you want to break up the flow, add a scrolling marquee near the bottom. Use it to reinforce availability, location, or niche, something like available for remote shoots worldwide. Finally, drop in the global contact section one more time at the bottom of the page. Give visitors a way to act while they're still interested. And if you need more tools to customize your site, a Wix subscription helps unlock deeper design and workflow features as your site grows. Together, these 3 pages build trust, remove friction, and help turn interest into action. In the next video, we'll cover how to add supporting pages without cluttering your site. It's where a lot of sites go wrong, but we'll help you get it right.